There are probably from south to north.
Wow. They are very, very beautiful, Mr. Chen. Wow.
The Chinese people fought against Japan, and the Supreme General who died in China, Comrade Zuo Quan, died in.
Zuo Quan died here.
左权
Here.
嗯
Yeah. I've definitely woke up in worse places before, man. We're gonna have some brekkie. Ooh. 你好。
有鸡蛋汤，
你好。
有豆浆。
Oh, delicious. I'm sweet, man. Thank you. I'm happy. So the plan is we're going to go with Mr. Chen to drop off his load, and then he's going to take me to a place about 300 kilometers from Beijing. We're going to hitchhike all the way, hopefully be in Beijing in time for dinner.
这些山羊就在山顶上嘛。羊
Ah! Look at the goat
Look
junctions.
at those goat junctions. Are those
Yeah.
goats on the top of the mountain?
Yeah. Goats. Very cool.